Hey everybody, this is Danny Baker with MarineMax here in Greenville once again. Wanted to show you a beautiful Yamaha 252 SD. This is a brand new 2026 that we just received it yesterday actually, with a black hull with the little blue accent line on the bottom. Got the full sports tower with a huge bimini top. Got plenty of coverage. Such a good looking boat with the streamlines of the Yamaha well-designed boat with a painted trailer as well. Come around back, let me show you. Now that we're back here in the back of the boat, you can see what really sets Yamaha apart from everyone else. The design on the back is awesome, especially for a family who wants to hang out in the cove, get some sunshine, let the kids play in the water. Easy access up to the back of the boat, but it's just a great design. There's no props down here. This is a jet boat, so a lot of the moms like the features of that, safety wise, you know. So here's a ladder here. Well, let's go upside and let me show you the inside. Up in the boat now, let me show you the front here. The front bow is really nice. Got huge seating up front. It's got the integrated speakers and the cup holders, as well as the railing here. So it's not on top. It's right integrated. It has a nice little area for your arm to go. You've got complete acre storage, a step for easy access off the dock. You've got storage underneath both of the front seats too as well. As you walk through, you'll see on the floor, it has the snap-in teak look of the matting. It's a marine grade matting, so it's very easy to keep clean. Got plenty of storage here. You can keep the tables, all of your filling cushions, anything like that you can keep right here. It's very nice and easy to get to. Over here at the helm, this is the SD, so it has the drive paddle system, which you can keep the boat up on the dock. You can go sideways with it or turn the boat rotating wise. I mean, it's very easy to drive, just a lot easier to dock the boat. It's got the 21.3 inch connect screen too as well. And with a phone holder here, it has everything, all the convenience that you need. Like I said, it has a nice bimini top here, so you got plenty of coverage to get out of the sun. Got a co-captain's chair. Both of these chairs spin around, so you can actually sit back and talk to everybody sitting back here as well. Nice rounded out seating here. And these actually, the back seats slide back to make it a little bit more comfortable on the inside. Or if you want room on the outside, you can move it up. So a very versatile boat. If you want to see this boat or have any questions about it, please contact us here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.